So things like attendance sheets or what's this, account sheets or whatever, again, your use case scenario might be. Forms, the reason everybody is here. So again, we'll keep that in there for now. And this is simply how you create a form. You just say new and more Google Forms, and you click that, you get a new form here. So let's initially start off with, give it a name. Let's say I want to find out just, let's say, contact details or something. All right, so let's say contact details. Once I've saved that, again, same deal applies like in the Word document. I just click on that and the title of the document of the form becomes the file name also, which is useful to keep track. Description and stuff we'll do later, but let's just jump into questions. All right, so this is a question with different ways that people can answer it. So let's initially, I want to know your name, question mark. And that some of it detects, it says question types magically update based on your question. Google does stuff. So it realizes that for a name, this particular question type is the best, which is a short answer. We'll look at the different types a little later. I'll just give you like a quick demo. Then this is to add a new question. So let's just say add new question. Let's say I want your phone number. And again, it decides that short answer is the best way to answer this. Let's agree with Google for now. And let's say I also want to know your college name. Okay, so these three, college name, question mark, because question, and preview. This is now a form. It's as simple as that, right? And let's just type in some values. Let's say my name is Raunak. My phone number is 0000000, and college name is Q. And I say submit. And it says your response has been recorded. Submit another response. I click on that. I can obviously submit another response. Let's go look at this thing. So now this is, you'll notice this tab that says responses. If I click on that, it gives me the people and the answers that people have given to the questions that I've put there. And it's as simple as that. This is a summary page. These are by question and individual. That will make more sense if I type this in a couple more times. Let's say Sudhakar, because phone number 11111, college name W, submit. Another one, something else, submit. Okay, so I have I've submitted this thrice, 3 responses recorded, summary. So these are the people, so to speak, who've responded. Names have been collected because that's a question, phone numbers and college name. I can look at this summary by questions. So what, as in literally by the question name, all the different responses, and then the next question, phone number, all the different responses, etc. I can also look at this by individual form entry, so to speak. So name, phone number, college name, and the next person, name, phone number, college name, next person, etc. Right? So forms is again a very, very useful tool. In the immediate next section, I will talk about this particular button, which makes forms incredible.